Sylvan Lake is a lake located in Custer State Park, in the Black Hills of South Dakota, United States. It was created in 1891 when Theodore Redder built a dam, the Sylvan Lake Water Dam, across Sunday Gulch Creek. The lake area offers picnic places, rock climbing, small rental boats, swimming, and hiking trails. It is also popular as a starting point for excursions to Black Elk Peak and the Needles. A hotel was operated on the shore of the lake in the early 20th century. The lake was featured in Disney's 2007 film National Treasure: Book of Secrets. The film made the lake appear to be located directly behind Mount Rushmore, when in reality, it is actually 5 miles southwest of Mount Rushmore.